Getting loaded up. 2 military vehicles. Out here enjoying this moment. Me and my boys back out at the beach. So I always tell you guys out there, man, this is what I do it for. Right here. Right here. I do it for myself too, though. You know, I believe in life you got to do things for yourself. Like I say, so the people around you, they could benefit from it, you know. Sometimes you got to be selfish to become selfless. If you guys understand that. You understand that, you understand me. So, I just want to put this quick video out today. One of my subscribers asked me a question. So, I'm pretty sure if he had this question, other people out there might have the same question. So he asked me, he said, "Hey Manny, I got my own authority, but one of my friends want me to book a load for him. And basically his friend has his own authority too. But I believe his friend might either be less than 90 days, so he's having a problem actually getting a broker to give him some freight, or his friend has a terrible CSA score, you know, and the freight brokers are not giving him the load." So I don't really know what it is, but I'm pretty sure it's probably something like that, because honestly, if both of them have their own authority, why are they both not booking loads for their own companies? You know, I wouldn't book loads for no one else out there unless they are actually leased on to my company and running under my insurance. So the only reason why I tell you guys out there, if you have your own authority and if you have a friend out there who wants to run a load under your authority, because maybe they might call up an actual freight broker and that freight broker says, "Well, sorry, man, I can't give you the load because you have to be 90 days. And it might just be a very good load, good paying load. So they're trying to figure out, man, how can I haul this load? And then what they're going to do is call up the next person who they know to have their own authority, their own MC number, to see if that person can potentially book a load for them, you know. So if I was you guys out there, I wouldn't do that, because anytime you book a load under your actual MC number, whatever happens to that load will fall back on you. So don't help your friend out, you know, don't help your buddy out just because, you know, they're in some type of bind. I'm pretty sure you've been in that same predicament. I'm pretty sure you've been in that same situation. And if you never asked anyone to book a load for you, what's up, son? Oh, okay. Kids out here enjoying the moment. So, but anyway, you know, like I tell you guys out there, man, when you start in this business, man, make sure you guys are doing everything the right way. Make sure you guys are staying DOT compliant out there, you know, because, hey, I didn't cut some corners, you know, when I first started. So these videos, a lot of these videos are lessons learned, and now I'm able to talk intelligently about my experience, you know. So, like I say, man, I didn't cut corners when I first started. I didn't had to pay money. You know, I didn't had to pay fines. You know, and you live and you learn. And if you guys ain't learning, you ain't gonna earn. And your business is gonna fail. So some of you guys out there are going through things right now and you're not learning from it. And that's what's going to cause your business to fail. But I learned from it. So that's what caused my business to prevail. You know, prevail, baby. So don't book your friends and your associates loads. Man, if you got an MC number, run under that MC. Book all of your freight under that. Because if I book you a load, it's going to be because you're an owner-operator that I'm dispatching for, or you're leased onto my company. Those are the only two ways I'm going to book you a load. I am not booking you no load under my MC number, because like I tell you guys, it's going to always fall back on the person that booked that load. So what if you book that driver a load because that's your friend and you want to be cool? You know, a lot of y'all too busy out there trying to be cool and be homeboys with people and friends. This is business. It's not personal, you know? So, like I say, you might book your friend that actual load and he might get out there and somebody just might hit him. You know, it might not be his fault. The accident might not be his fault. And now that freight is damaged. They ain't coming to your homeboy. That cargo claim is coming to you. So, I just want to talk to you guys out there this morning. And pretty much, man, hopefully I answered your question. The answer is no. Do not book any loads under your authority for anyone that is running under another authority, but they're just trying to beat the system at the time. So, hey man, if y'all got any questions out there, hit me up on my email. I'm about to get back to enjoying this evening with my kids. CEO, commit, execute, and be obsessed. Everybody be great out there.